Well, welcome back. Do you remember just a couple of days ago, 3 days ago maybe, I was complaining just how cold it was. It was so cold. I could hardly speak. Yes, it was my first day detecting in 5.5 months. And one of the targets I only found 5 targets. It was so cold I had to go home. Was a, what looked like a ring and dot Saxon fingering. We still conclusively haven't got an answer for that yet, but it may be a modern day, a contemporary copy. And it looks like there might be an inscription or something like a hallmark inside the ring, but it's not that good a condition inside, so it's hard to tell. But the reason for this video is to give you the answer and the winner for the Mystery Sound week number 2. And a lot of people said, well, I'll tell you what, no, let's give a few random ones out. Lisa Farr said, could it be using a scratcher pen to clean a find? You're on the right lines. There are some people who have got it spot on, so you would have been the closest had it not been for the people being spot on. Jim Mylamb's changing the lens on your camera. No, nothing like it, mate. I'm on all the right ones at the moment. Hang on a second. Scraping in a hole looking for treasure with your trowel, says Paul Lawrence. No. Scraping a coin with a cleaning pencil. Is it you bending metal around a ring? No, it is related to metal detecting, so no, you're a long way out of there. Oh, listen, sounds like you're trying to squeeze your little pickle into a Gatorade bottle. Mine fits. Now, what's a little pickle? Is it what I think it is? Anyway, I did a random draw of all the correct answers. Now, the correct answer was I was actually using a wooden toothpick to pick the debris and the grime and dirt and the iron rust and things from an artifact. It wasn't a coin, it was an artifact, but that is what I was looking for, cleaning with a wooden toothpick, because a lot of people do that. They don't use fibre pens and things. They do it delicately by soaking the artifact in distilled water, or even putting it into what do you call these vibration? I've got one down here, look. There. I can't remember what's it called. Sonic. It's a sonic cleaner with a special fluid. And then, after it's softened it all up, you just pick bits of the debris off with a toothpick. Gary, with 2 R's, my friend taught me that. So, let's go a few of those who have got it right. And I'm looking for specifically with those who have mentioned toothpick, because there's a few of them. Oh, Brian Lind, are you cleaning a coin with a toothpick? The Viking Detectorist sounds like a toothpick scraping a coin clean. OCD Racer, I'll guess a toothpick cleaning a coin. Graphite Pencil, no. The Stubble Strider, using a toothpick scraping a coin clean. And Michael Vukmanik, sounds like you're using a wooden utensil to clean dirt off a coin. I would give you that one. But the winner, drawn at random, was the Viking King Detectorist. So I'll repeat that. That's the Viking King Detectorist. I don't know where you are, mate, but if you let me know, I'm going to be turning this threepence into a coin ring for you. Why? Because the other one I showed you in the competition I used for something else. So that's one I've already found and cleaned and used that for. So I'll make you one. If you give me the size you want, pardon me, if you give me the size you want, If it's not too big, I'll try and make it to your size. You know how to reach me. My email address is in the video description. And also for anyone else, because you have been asking me, my Roman coin posters where you can identify your Roman finds are there. They are huge, A1, glossy, carbon neutral, and that contains all the emperors and empresses from the Roman Empire. So if you find a Roman coin and you're struggling to identify it, that may well help you. And if you get one of those, then you also get the Kings and Queens of England one free with it. So for that, you need to go to themanwiththehat.co.uk. Meanwhile, thanks for taking part in the Mystery Sound. And you never know, I may do another one. But don't forget, every day in February at 7 p.m. UK time, I've got a 1-minute show and tell on some of my finds. So, I'll see you then.
Stephen digs stuff up and pimps it up so you guys can wear it.